Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to J&A'S Unique Appetite and Travel. Today, we're going to be talking about apple pancakes. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Definitely comment. I want to know how these things taste, and I want you to let me know if you like these or not. So today, we're going to be using 6 apples, 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 melted sticks of butters. Mix your dry ingredients, put those wet ingredients, stir that stuff up. It's going to smell so good. Oh my goodness, it's gonna smell good. Try not to eat it. Don't forget there's raw eggs in there. Go ahead and put it on the griddle or in a pan with some oil or some butter. And then when it's done, gallop it all with some nice butter. It's so good to eat like that as well. But the best part is you can add some whipped cream and some maple syrup and eat up. Oh, it's so good. Thank you guys again for tuning in to J&A's Unique Appetite and Travel. Have a great day.